Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in Monday.com. By the end, you'll turn a regular project board into a clean calendar view so you can see deadlines and milestones at a glance without changing any of your underlying data. Start by opening Monday.com and heading to your sample project board. This is the board that already holds your items like tasks or events along with their dates. Once the board is open, look to the very top of the page where the board's view tabs live. You might see main table or other views you've created. We're about to add a new one. Find the small plus icon at the top. It usually sits to the right of your existing view tabs and may appear as a compact plus sign on smaller screens. That plus icon is the shortcut for adding a new view to this board. If you don't see it, try widening your window or make sure you have permission to add views on this board. Click the plus icon. A menu will open with different view types you can add like charts, Kanban, and more. This menu lets you visualize the same board data in different ways so you can switch perspectives without duplicating anything. From that menu, choose Calendar. As soon as you select it, Monday.com creates a calendar view and loads your items into a monthly grid. You'll see tasks appear on the dates that match their date column values, giving you an immediate visual schedule. The new calendar tab is now pinned alongside your other views, and it's saved automatically so you can come back to it anytime. If your calendar looks empty or you're missing items, it usually means the board doesn't have a date column filled in for those tasks. Add or populate a date in your main table later, and the items will automatically appear here. If your board has more than one date field, the calendar uses the date configured for that view, so you can align it with your workflow if needed. From here, the calendar becomes a powerful planning lens. You can scan upcoming weeks, spot busy periods, and quickly understand what's due next. The calendar respects your existing data, updates you make in the table reflect here, and visual changes here reflect back on the item's date. You'll also notice built-in controls to adjust the timescale and filter what you see, which helps reduce clutter during busy periods. That's all it takes. You opened your board, use the plus icon to add a view, and selected calendar to visualize your work by date. Thanks for watching and enjoy managing your projects with a clear, calendar-based view in Monday.com.